Hmm. Hi everyone, it's me, the anime. You're watching Rockin' Rockers Fabulous Science with me. And always ask adults' permission before you do anything like experiments, watching videos, buying stuff, reading certain books, or watching certain movies. Now, if you haven't seen the first video, I will explain what this is. You have a clear bottle, and you could recycle like a soda bottle, rinse it out, take off like the logo after, and then you pour in water, and then you add some glitter, and make sure the lid is nice and tight, and then you shake it all about. Shake, shake, shake it all about. Shake. It's called a tornado in a bottle, and you can see it like spinning rapidly. Look how cool that is. Look at it go. It's like, woo, 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 woo. It's like, who's gonna win the race? Oh, look. Like, shake it up this way. Shake, shake. So it's pretty simple. It's a simple project. But always ask a parent first. I think it's really cool because you can see it like shake it up. Oh, look at that. You can see it like going crazy when you push in different directions. Look at it go. That's so cool. It's like spinning, spinning. Okay. And you can use whatever sparkly color you want. But you will need sparklers, a clear bottle with a lid, which is why I suggest reuse a soda bottle, and water. It could be any kind of water. Look at it go! Wait. Look at that. Definitely, like, they're like rapidly going. That is so cool. I'm gonna put it right over here for now. Okay, I promise to show you. Please. The drawings I showed you, what was it, yesterday? It has the it's a science-like bottle. I used yellow, blue, pink, green, and red. For this one, I used the same colors. I kind of like did red down here, pink over here, pink down here, red over here, green, blue, green, blue, blue, green. Then on this part, I did it like multicolored. I thought it'd be kind of cute to have like blue and pink, because Jade likes the color pink and I like blue. Mommy and daughters, what you gonna do? They like the colors that go together. And there's yellow and green and red. Then I have like glasses and like a table. So I used like, I guess you could call them really girly colors because I used pink, yellow, and red. And if you remember, we were working on this one. Trying to think of a color to use. Oh, Oh, the pink fell on the floor. No, yeah. Hang on. Let's look at that while I get the pink. Ooh, super cool. That's awesome. Okay, sorry about that. I was going to use the pink and it fell on me. I was like, oh, snap. The paper and I are having a disagreement. We're like, who can do what better? Don't forget, please subscribe to become a member of my townhouse family. Also, if I have 30 subscribers. If I get 60, I will dress up as Princess Belle for 1 week. And I think last time I looked, I was at 35. So. Also, stay tuned for the next video, where we'll finish this and read some of that book, and maybe do some other interesting things, but you will have to click to find out. So go ahead and click on the next video to find out what we're going to do next.